There's a silent battles that keeps going on to each and every man, and they have to go through each and every day, and nobody sees it. Not because they are weak or they don't feel it, but because they're taught in that way. They're taught to hide their emotions. They're taught to hide their stress. They're taught to how they feel under pressure. They're taught to hide their fear when they're lonely. And even if they are stressed, even if they are under pressure, they will still smile because that's what they have been taught since childhood, since they were born. Like, boys don't cry, boys don't cry. And then you just have to, fake it and just pretend that it's everything okay, it's fine, I'm going to handle it, I'm going to do and take care of each and everything because I'm the man. And this video is not about blaming something, okay? It's about understanding you. It's about understanding what truly men have been feeling since childhood, what they have been carrying since childhood. And even they have all the weight on the shoulders, they still have to walk, they still have to run, they still have to keep pushing towards their goals, towards to have a stable income or to have a good family, to keep a family happy. Each and every human being that lives on this planet, they are carrying their own emotions, they're carrying their own through essence, they're carrying their own struggles, they are carrying their own weights, and they're trying their best to be the best out there. You are not just a man. Before that, you guys are a human being. And we have to, each and every individual on this planet have to think each and every gender as a human being, to be neutral, and then to think about about that, after that think about as a gender basis. Hello guys, I'm Siley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well and taking care of yourself as you should. So you guys might have already got an idea what this video will be all about, and that is about men's mental health. I always wanted to talk about what actually guys feel, what you guys feel, what you guys keep conversations to yourself, because I have my brothers with me. I have seen my father, my grandparents, my grandpas. I have seen my male best friends or male friends, and whenever they have shared their struggles, their problems, what they actually been through, and maybe I feel a little, not a little bit, but very, very well connected to this topic because I'm the eldest daughter. I'm the eldest child of my family. Eldest daughter plus eldest child of my family. So I'm not seen as a just a woman. I have always been seen like an eldest child. So I have been literally carrying what men usually carry, what they have to carry since childhood. So even I have to have been going through the similar phases, so I kind of relate to it and understand it. That's the reason maybe I feel much more connected to this topic, and I really wanted to speak about it. When you guys might hear some words from me, or the conversations, whatever not conversation, but whatever I'm going to speak in this video, maybe you might feel something that you haven't feel since a long time, and that is seen. And that's all I really want in this video, that you guys are seen, you guys are heard, you guys are taken care of, you guys are loved, okay? And I'm not just just saying for saying, but I really feel from you. And yeah, let's start. The first and one of the important thing which I have noticed among you guys, that is, you guys, rather than feeling it, processing it, understanding it, that it is emotions, that it is fear, that it is vulnerability, that it is being lonely, okay? So you guys don't try to feel it, you just try to suppress it as much as you can, and due to which you are unable to be really who you are. आप एक strong mask पहन लेते हो, okay? Now, rather than understanding, feeling, or processing the emotions what you are feeling, you're suppressing it, you're keeping it somewhere, hiding it, and उसके बाद आप उसको acknowledge भी नहीं करना चाहते हो, आप उसको छुपा के रख देते हो, okay? आपको लगता है कि कॉन्शियसली आपने वो हटा दिया है, आपने उसको दिमाग से फील नहीं करने दिया, या जो भी है आपने उसको फील नहीं करने दिया, बट इट इज इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, इट्स नेवर गोइंग टू लीव यू, बिकॉज आप जब तक उसको फील नहीं करते हो, आप जब तक उसको अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करते, प्रोसेस नहीं करते, एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते, वो तुम्हारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रहेगा. व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू अबाउट इट? You really want to, keep your actual self, what you actually feel, what you actually go through? Do you really want to, keep that hidden away? See, I know, I understand that you're not to blame. First of all, we are here to blame, the society here is to blame. छोटी छोटी चीजों से, अगर आप गिर गए हो कहीं, एंड रादर दैन, आपको बोला कि बच्चा आपको लग गई क्या, यू गाइस आर सेड, अरे तो रो क्यों रहा है, तू लड़का है भाई, शोभा थोड़ी रहता है. That's what you guys have been taught since childhood, and I understand it. So I know you guys have taught that since childhood, but now it's time, guys, that you can't just hide and cover up your true emotions, what you truly feel. आप जो चीज से भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, या प्रेशराइज हो, स्ट्रेस्ड अप हो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप सबको बताते घूमो. You can at least share with someone who you know that person is there for you, that person who is going to, take care of you, who will understand you, who will, make you feel seen, make you feel heard, make you grow from it. Okay, because hiding is never an option. You can't just suppress your feelings and move ahead in life. You can't be a better person, you can't grow in life. And if you guys do not try to be yourself, or do not try to feel what you feel, what your emotions are, then you are going to lose your true essence. For example, अगर मैं जो feel कर रही हूँ, if I'm feeling lonely, if I'm feeling sad, if I'm going through something very stressed up situation, or if I'm numb about something, if I don't feel something, or if I'm feeling very much like बहुत ज़्यादा emotionally feel हो रहा है, रोने का मन कर रहा है, or I'm afraid of something, whatever those feelings are, if I don't feel it, if I don't process it, if I don't acknowledge it, if I don't understand it, if I don't imply it in my life, on myself, then I'm going to lose my true identity. I'm not going to be Siley. मैं साइली नहीं रहूंगी. I would be someone else. I would be pretending as someone else. I would be not me. I would lose my true essence. And do you guys want that? And I'm not saying कि अब ये जो भी है पूरा ढिंडोरा पीटो सबके सामने. Only with your loved ones, only with the one you know that they are trustable, or just with yourself. It's better to acknowledge it, to accept what you feel, to understand it, to process it, and to be yourself. सोसाइटी ने आपको सिखाया बचपन से, ओके, नो वरीज, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू चेंज. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू apply some, new things in your life. New things you are aware of, new mindset, new habits, new lifestyle. See, the life is all about, change, and unless and until we don't create change in ourselves, it won't reflect in our surrounding. One more thing which I have noticed in you guys, that whenever you guys are in a constant mode of doing, pushing state, or action driven, so you guys are basically uh, obsessed with success, with control, with power, with being a provider, with yeah, with all these things. आप प्रेशर में काम करते हो, आप एंजाइटी में रहते हो, whatever you actions are doing, whatever you guys are doing, you guys are trying to be productive, you are in a constant state of anxiety, you are under pressure, you have that fear that I have to, like, you have a fear that if I won't prove myself to the world, I I would be seen as a failure after studying and completing their degree, and then you know um, working for the job. Now they are in a constant weight and pressure that now I have to prove myself to the people, because if I don't prove according to what society wants and expects from me, I will be seen as a failure. And then people are constantly be in a attacking more on them. आपके जो गाड़ी का जो पेट्रोल है, ओके, वो जो पेट्रोल है वो सिर्फ आपकी वांट नहीं है, बट आपके कांस्टेंट एंजाइटी, टू बी अंडर प्रेशर, to, you are afraid that you might not be good enough, you will be seen as a failure, and that's the reason that you guys are constantly in a pushing mode. But I know you guys have a lot of responsibilities. I'm not denying it at all, okay? Because बचपन से एक ऐसा बोला जाता है लड़कों के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, okay? They have to give their whole to be stable in their life, to have a good family, to be a good father, to be a good son, to be a good husband, okay, to be a good man in a society. Understand this. आप एक इंसान हो. Don't pressurize yourself. It's not for you only. Okay, pressure is not for only you guys. Pressure is for everyone, but not just you. So please try to not be in a constant mode of doing. Also, you guys also need a break. You guys need to have a break mentally, like have a relaxing state mentally. You guys need to calm and chill, right? Seriously. I know you guys want other people, okay, to see it in a certain way about you guys. Like you guys want to feel seen, you guys want to feel heard, but you guys have to start creating the change within you, because unless and until you won't do it, people are not going to acknowledge it at all. ओके, आप अगर खुद ही ऐसा सोचोगे कि मैं ही भाई हूँ जो भोज लेके घूमूंगा, मैं भोज लेके चलूंगा, ओके, तो सामने वाला तो फिर क्यों ही करेगा, क्यों ट्राई करेगा कि आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने का, या आपको सीन फील कराने का, या हर्ट फील कराने का. Unless and until you don't feel about yourself in a certain way, you don't feel that, yeah, I'm a human being, okay, I cannot feel this way each and every time, each and every day. I cannot feel in this way. I'm a human being. Okay. This should be our attitude. You guys are awesome. Okay. You guys are literally doing great in your life, and I'm proud of you guys. And I just want कि आप बस ये ना सोचो कि आप पे ही सब पे जिम्मेदारी है. And I know it's in that way from a from a society point of view, but unless and until we don't make a change in ourselves, we won't make it in a society. So guys, मैंने ना ये बहुत बार नोटिस किया है, बहुत बहुत बार. So whenever you guys go through something, okay, and also that counts emotionally too, okay, emotions too. So during that time, you guys for sure have male buddy, your male friends, okay, you hang out with them, you meet with them each and every day, but they won't they might not contribute to your emotional needs, like your emotions, what you're going through, okay, they might be not there as they should be, and that is what it is missing in male friendships. मेरे जो मेल फ्रेंड्स हैं, या फिर मेरे जो भाई लोग हैं, उन्होंने भी ये सेम चीज़ें कहा है कि यार अगर हमें कुछ इमोशनली फील होता है, ठीक है, तो हम जाके अपने दोस्तों के साथ वो सब चीज़ें बात कर ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग बात करने भी जाए तो अरे भाई सब ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं, चल भाई गेमिंग कर लेते हैं, चल भाई चल कुछ खेल लेते हैं, चल भाई यू नो let's get a drink and just get over it, you know it's just so quick to just tackle the problems emotionally when it comes on male friendships, because they don't sit and try to understand and ask each other, भाई कि तू क्या फील कर रहा है, या तुझे क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है, what I can do to help you out, या ये चीज़ बोल, या इसको जस्ट पूछे कि भाई तू रियली ठीक है, तू सच्ची में ठीक है, कुछ पंगा तो नहीं, आई एम देयर. मतलब ऑफकोर्स भाई लोग बोलते तो हाँ भाई मैं हूँ, संभालूंगा, या दो तीन लोग लेके आ जाऊंगा. ऑफकोर्स दिस आर सम थिंग्स दैट it is normally addressed, okay, among male friendships, but emotionally it doesn't help. It is emotionally, it's not of help. This is missing in male friendships. And I know it's very tough to change the situation, but if you guys आप आपको अगर अंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हो ये चीज़ को, तो स्टार्ट हैविंग दिस कन्वर्सेशंस टू during if someone is going through some rough phases, maybe a breakup, maybe battling through financial situation, or someone is suffering at home or any emotional things. So start to not just address it, but also have that that nature of also asking that are you okay, what you are actually feeling, that have that deep meaning conversation too. And if even though वो चीज़ें नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है, नहीं हो पा रही है मेरे फ्रेंडशिप्स के बीच में, ये चीज़ मैंने पहले भी बोली है, ओके, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन दिस इन माय लास्ट वीडियो दैट कि स्टार्ट talking to an opposite gender, start having a conversation with opposite gender. That opposite gender मतलब मेरा ये मतलब है कि if you have any female friends, or even you are comfortable talking this to your sister, your mother, start addressing that, start speaking to them, start telling what you feel, because they are very good at emotions things. We being a woman, we carry a feminine energy, so we are very good at the job. Okay, so of course it's gonna help you, it's gonna make you understand of emotional perspective, it's gonna make you understand what you feel, they will help you to process it, they will make you connect to your true self. Next thing is that you guys are always under pressure of being a provider, and you have to go through silent battles to be able to provide financially. And I really get it, because of course starting से बहुत पहले से men are the only ones who are able to earn starting से. Now the thing is different, but they have this, and they have to carry this tag, you guys have to carry this tag every time, that if you can't be a, if you are unable to be a provider, if you are unable to meet the financial needs, then you're not a man. They have to carry that each and every day. And this is truly haunting, guys, because it's truly scary, because just imagine, if you're not a provider, if you're not you know able to provide or able to meet the financial needs, then you are not a real man. That's what society will be calling you. And first of all, being a provider, not just, yes, this is about financial, but being a provider not only counts for financial but also emotional way too. So provider goes for both the ways. See, I'm a woman, so it's a plus point. Okay, but I'm an eldest daughter, I'm an eldest child in my family. It's very easy to say that I have an option, okay, but my family don't see it as an option, of marriage. Even I don't see it as an option for myself. I have to be an example for my younger ones who are in my family, so I can understand the pressure, I can understand the weight that you guys carry. So even if you guys are under pressure, okay, आप चाहे डेप्थ में भी हो जाओ, you won't even talk about, you won't even share it openly, because you guys might feel ashamed, you guys might feel uh, I'm letting myself down, or I will let my family members or my loved ones down, or it will portray you as weak individual, you won't be a man. That's what society will think about you, and that's the reason you feel ashamed to even open up if you are battling through financial needs. If you guys are going through something, ask for help. कोई उसमें बुराई नहीं है, कोई उसमें कुछ 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 बिलिटलिंग थिंग नहीं है वो, आई नो बहुत सारे लोगों को वो नहीं होता है, ओके, टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प टू समबडी। आई एम नॉट आस्किंग कि आप सबको सिर्फ घूमते फिरो हेल्प के लिए, बट whenever it's needed, ask for help. Whenever you guys feel like, okay, I am unable to bear this the stress, the pressure, the pain, the silent battles, ask for help. It doesn't matter, ask for anyone who can help you, ask for also anyone who you might think they won't be able to, but somewhere or other there are people who are going to help you out. Okay, so don't feel ashamed of taking help, don't feel ashamed of opening up if you're going through financial stress. Don't feel like, okay, I won't be a man after that if I ask help from somebody. No, this doesn't work. Okay, बहुत सारे लोग हैं तुम्हारे दिमाग में घुसा भरने के लिए, नो, वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट, वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. जहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी वहां पे हम लोग हेल्प मांगेंगे, जहाँ जरूरत पड़ी जहाँ वहां पे हम लोग एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, जहाँ जरूरत पड़ी वहां अपन ओपन अप होंगे. Okay, one of the last and important thing, okay, that I will be addressing is that you guys are afraid of being vulnerable in relationships. You guys know exactly what I'm speaking about, right? You guys are afraid to be seen as your true self, because if you feel like अगर आपने आपका real self किसको बता दिया, you would be giving your power to that person. And yeah, I can't deny it's right. Okay. But if you guys are unable to be vulnerable in relationships, in romantic relationships, you are failing to, not only understanding yourself, but also understanding the other too. अगर आप vulnerable नहीं होते हो तो आप सिर्फ अपना थ्रू एसेंस नहीं खो देते हो, बट ऑल्सो यू आर अबैंडिंग योर सेल्फ. आप सेल्फ अबैंडमेंट कर देते हो खुद को. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, आपको कोई छोड़ के चले जाए आपको कैसा फील होगा, तो आप खुद को छोड़ के चले जाते हो. Yeah, I'm not even kidding this. Guys, if you are suppressing your emotion sides in romantic relationships, come on, it's a romantic relationships, emotions involved there, then you have to show your vulnerable side to the person. Vulnerability is a thing of courage. Okay, and I understand vulnerable दिखना आपको लगता है you have to show your true self which you don't like it, understandable, but she is your girl, she is your woman, she is your wife. किससे छुपा रहे हो आप? I have always noticed this in guys कि when they know that girl understands him very much well, is able to see the parts of him even though he's not showing to that person. Okay, वो अच्छे से समझ लेती है आपको, वो आपके हर पार्ट को, आपके थ्रू एसेंस को जब समझ लेती है. ओके, even though you won't be addressing it, you won't be showing it, okay, you won't be, telling that to her, but that your person might be able to understand you, each and every corner of you. At that time, see, if she is a girl, she's your girl. If she really cares for you, genuine, if she is really thinks good of you, she's not going to babysit you. वो तुम्हें नहीं बोलेगी हाँ तू ऐसे ही फील कर या तू ऐसे ही रहे. शी वोंट बी ओके विथ वॉट यू फील कंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज यू गाइज ऑलवेज डू दिस. आप जब भी, आपको जब पता रहता है ये लड़की से मुझे इमोशनल वर्नेबिलिटी अगर मैं शो करूंगा, आई वुड जस्ट, शी इज वेरी गुड एट दैट. ओके, she is able to understand me, so you guys run towards someone who gives you comfort zone, who is giving you the space of तुझे जैसे रहना है वैसे रहे, I'm here. Stupidity. Stupidity. Not just only for her, but only for you too. Because you guys won't be able to grow as an individual. See, a person who emotionally challenges you, who emotionally make you try to grow as a person, then she literally cares for you. She literally wants you to grow as an individual. She literally wants you to do better things in your life. Because मुझे पता हो किसको चाहिए ऐसी लड़की जब दिख रहा है कि भाई तुझे वो चीज से, अगर if you're lying, if you're manipulating, if you're betraying, if you're cheating, and that girl is going to be okay with that, you are not going to grow in your life. You are not going to grow as a better individual in your life. And the girl who will always try to challenge you, who would always try to, not try to, but she will always be there to identify that this is the thing you're doing wrong, this is the thing that you should feel this way or address this way, understand this way. She's making you understand and process and acknowledge through emotions. That person is, you should have it. If you guys are not able to open up, if you guys are not able to be vulnerable in front of the one who you are with, then that person is wrong for you. That the person is not right for you, because that person is not making you grow, not making you be a better person, be a vibrant person in your life. It's not going to help you make decisions further, uh, more both in EQ and IQ. You guys are very smart, okay? आपको पता है, हाँ, this girl is making me face through emotional challenges. She's challenging me okay, to grow as an individual, because she is able to recognize me, she is able to understand me, she is able to identify the past which I am hiding, which I am suppressing my emotions, and I should feel that rather than hiding it. And if she's able to do that, give that. That's where the being vulnerable counts. And if you're running onto someone that where you just are comfortable, you are able to do whatever you want, then God bless you. All the best. That's what I will say. I cannot speak in a baby voice, because baby voice will not help it. It will just make you feel comfortable. It won't make you guys to challenge yourself. It won't make you guys to learn to how grow. And that's the reason I was, trying. I was just being a little bit, tough. So guys, I hope after watching this video you are able to connect what I really wanted to say and what I really wanted to express in this video. And all I want to say that you are not the only one who has to carry the whole weight of expectations, of meeting the needs of, facing it alone. Okay, you are not meant in that way. Okay, because अगर ऐसा होता तो गौरव यूनिवर्स ने दूसरा जेंडर क्रिएट ही नहीं किया रहता. Okay, so you're not the only one who have to carry it all alone. Okay, and I know बचपन से आपको सिखाया गया है to be strong, be to be in that way. No worries, change is the motto of life. Okay, change is what is permanent in life. Okay, so you guys have to make these changes in yourself so that it reflects in you, around you, and in society. And you guys are not alone in this. We are there. You guys are seen. You guys are heard. You guys are loved unconditionally. You guys are taken care of. This space is safe for you guys. This space is protected for you guys. The space is will make you feel peace. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And also to my cuties over here, that of course guys are also cuties, but here to the girls who are watching this video, if you able to understand what I was trying to say, express it, then do share it with your brothers, your father, your grandpa, your male buddies, your male best friends. So share this to them so that they feel seen, they feel heard, and they just know that we are here to truly understand them, and they don't have to pretend it like they are the only one who have to be there for everyone. And that's all I wanted to say, guys. And I hope this video helps you out, and let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, and I love you.